Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a wish list like this in StockX. So you find this item, you select your size, click the drop down and you have wish list and edit it to confirm. Then I'm going to show you how to actually do this. Now, the first thing that you need to do in order to add items to your wish list is that you need to have a list created. And to create a list, you want to hover over your account on the upper right, go to favorites, and then from here, you want to create a list and you can create multiple lists, right? You can also add items to your all favorites as well, but it's better to have your own list and add those. So to create a list, it's easy. Just click on create, give your list a name. In my case, that was the wish list. You can call this one, Christmas, for example, and you just click and create. So once you create that, you can simply add the items to it right here, or you can just go back to where you were and you can quickly add items. So if I would like to add, for example, the shoes or something here within or that list that I created, I can simply click on the heart, and that's how I'll be able to choose my size, and I will be able to add the items to my list. So for Christmas, I want that. I click and confirm, and that's how I add the item to my list. So that's it, guys, very easy and very simple.